In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue when all of your Linkvertise free access credits seem to be used up. This can be a rather frustrating situation, especially if you're trying to access something important. But not to worry, there are a few steps you can take that might help you resolve this problem. First, let's talk about the simplest method: waiting. Many times, the free access limits reset on their own after a certain amount of time. What this means is that you might just need to be patient and wait for a few hours. Alternatively, you could try revisiting the link the next day. By giving it time, the restrictions may clear up on their own. However, it's important to resist the temptation to refresh the page repeatedly, as this could actually prolong the access restrictions. Another effective strategy is to consider using a different network. Sometimes the restrictions are tied specifically to your IP address, network, or the session you are currently in. By shifting to a different network, say from your home Wi-Fi to a mobile connection or another Wi-Fi source, you might find that the access limitations are lifted. Next, you might want to try clearing your cookies and site data. Let me walk you through how to do this on Chrome or Edge. You'll need to press Ctrl+Shift+Delete. This will open up a dialog box where you can clear browsing data. Specifically, you'll want to clear cookies and cached images and files. Once you've done this, be sure to restart your browser for the changes to take effect, and then try opening the Linkvertise link again. Another simple trick is to utilize incognito or private browsing mode. Opening a private browsing session allows you to start with a fresh slate, effectively creating a new browser session that doesn't carry over previous data or restrictions from the main browser window. On Chrome or Edge, you can start an incognito session by pressing Ctrl+Shift+N, and on Firefox, it's Ctrl+Shift+P. Once you have the incognito window open, just paste in the Linkvertise URL and see if that resolves the issue. By utilizing these methods, waiting for credits to reset, trying a different network, clearing cookies and site data, and using incognito mode, you should be able to fix the problem of all free access credits being used up. Each of these solutions provides a way to bypass the restriction that you're facing, so hopefully one of them will work for you. And remember, patience and a little bit of tech-savvy navigation can go a long way in resolving this issue. Thank you for tuning in, and good luck.